Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when
Hey guys, I've been sick with a sinus infection, but I just took my medicine, so I'm starting to feel a little bit better. But I'm going to be doing a school today. This is going to be fun. Okay. So when you go to school, you don't want to have a heavy cakey face, but you do want to have a very moisturized face. So I went out and bought the Healthy Skin Enhancer from Neutrogena. Yes? Okay. It's time for dinner, whatever. But the Healthy Skin Enhancer, and it's a tinted moisturizer, which gives you just enough coverage that you're not, too cakey or too, flawless, but more natural for school. Yeah? I know, I'm coming. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a squirt, like that. And I'm just going to use my fingers. And most of this stuff can be found at drugstores. Just going to use my mirror. This is in number 20 light. What's it called?
Natalie, dinner's ready.
Sorry.
Dad, we're doing a video.
Dinner's ready, Lucy. Come on.
And I forgot to put on my concealer, so. And just rub it in with your fingers, because, you don't need any fancy brushes because you're going to school. This smells pretty good, too. And since this is a moisturizer, you don't need to moisturize your face that much. You don't have to use a moisturizer like my Clinique. One thing I forgot to do was put on my concealer, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now for all the blemishes.
Guys, it's Chow Mein. Hurry up. Really good.
I have a little scratch right there. I know my face is really red. And then I'm just going to go ahead, since, it's a school day, you're not going to get that much sleep. I'm just going to put on under eye concealer.
Are you so tired, honey?
No, I made dinner.
Oh, thank you. Wow, what a sweetheart. Where's Natalie?
That's my parents.
Where's that bistro start?
It starts at 7, which is in 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do one eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. So it's pretty neutral, but not so neutral that everybody's like, oh, she's not wearing it. I don't know. So we're going to start on this side. So I'm putting on my Shadow Insurance. Just a little bit. Oh, I can't see anything. Wrong finger. I'm just going to apply all over the lid, in here, out here. Okay, so now it's all over. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Lancome palette. I'm not sure what it's called. I don't know. It's just a bunch of colors. Self-select. I don't know. I guess they're like create your own. Those are the colors, so they're pretty neutral. I'm going to take this light pink one right here and going to apply that all over the lid with this shader brush. So just kind of get that on there. Put that all over there. Okay, so now it's all over the lid. Alrighty. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into the crease with the Sonia Kashuk crease brush, sorry. And I'm going to take that matte brown just to, soften up a little bit. Look a little bit and not make it all shimmery, My Little Pony. just softly apply that to my crease. This is really pulling the look together. Okay. Then we are going to take this angled brush. Ooh. I'm not sure where these are, and I'm taking this cranberry color right over there. And I'm going to apply that to the outer V just to lighten up that a little bit. And I know you're supposed to usually, oh crap. You're usually supposed to darken up the outer V, but for this look that I'm doing, I'm going to tune it up. Okay, so now to really pull it all together, I just noticed that I have so much more lid color on that side. It's because that side. Just gonna kind of do that. Alright, and then I'm going to just take my finger and take the lightest color in there. Sorry. I'm just going to. Sorry, my family's crazy. And then I'm going to brighten it up like this. Because you want to look a little awake and make your eyes open a little bit more. Okay, then we are going to add some Smolder eye kohl. It's very soft on the waterline and will stay throughout the day. So there's that. And then you are going to apply your favorite mascara, which is Voluminous Carbon Black.
Natalie, stop it. This is delicious.
Okay, so this really brings your eyes to the. I'm sorry, this one looks a little more darker because it's being shadowed because the light's shadowing it out. Now I'm adding a Juicy Tube and Touched by Light, and gloss is the perfect thing for school. And since our eyes are pretty, you know.
Natalie.
Here, please. I'll open it. You better not steal this or you're in trouble.
Okay, so this is the finished look.
And you still said I will spank your butt. Go ahead and do it.
It's the finished look, sorry. And I'm still wearing this to school tomorrow. I'm coming right now. So thanks for watching, and bye.